Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fake shots in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the Live Pass, Live Today, Play Friends, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and Campaigns. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find My Team, Auction, Achievements, Objectives, and lastly, Sets. So firstly, we need to start a match. Before we start a match, we're gonna go to My Team, and then from here, you can choose the players that you want to play with, and also you can activate a boost. So in my case, I'm activating a bonus, and right now I'm gonna go back, and then for example, choose any mode. I'm going to choose live today, for example, and then I'm going to choose any available match in this list. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Right here, you're going to find the rewards that you're going to earn, and you can click on play in order to start the match. And right now, from here, you can check your team and also your opponent's team. And then once you're good to go ahead and click on play. And then you're going to be right here in the loading screen. So just wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, it's going to look like this. So right now I'm going to pass it to this one. So basically guys, in order to fake shot a goal, just go ahead, sprint, come here, and then hold the sprint button. And then drag it to the shoot button, but not all the way. Just drag it to the middle and then let it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.